Hey y'all, listen. When they say we get these emails when we have something in the mailroom, right? So I got an email that says parcel pending. So y'all know when y'all get them emails and you've been expecting something from Amazon or from Fabric Warehouse. Say less, baby. I'm coming. I'm coming to get my packages. Y'all, so I'm back at the house. Let's see. Sorry, I had to open my door. That way, let's lock it. Back in the house with my packages. Y'all know where we going. Straight to the studio. Straight to the studio. Now, I'm not sure what's in here. I do know what I ordered. But based on what they were saying, this shouldn't even be here yet. So I'll be back and we can unbox it together. Unbox it together. Unbox together. So it is time. Are y'all ready to see what's in these packages? Let's open the packages and see what's inside. Alright, y'all, so make sure you got your unboxing scissors. Do not use your scissors that you're using to cut your fabrics and stuff to open up packages. So that's why I have these little pair of blue handle ones. I know that these are whatever scissors. So let's open it and let's see what they sent us. So I told you I was working on a couple of projects, and this fabric, I think the fabric goes to those projects. So, okay, boom. So this is my black double knit scuba material. Has a little stretch. Y'all see that? Got a little stretch in it right there. And these are for the swimming trunks that I'm making for my cousin's photo shoot. So this is part of it. So let's see what's in the other pack. Let's see, because again, this wasn't supposed to be here until next week. So if it's here today, that's even better, because guess what? Your girl will be finished her projects by next week. So let's open this up. Let's see. Hot dog. I think it is. Yes, y'all. Listen. So I told y'all I'm going to St. Lucia in October. So of course your girl got to make her some new bathing suits. I can't carry the same bathing suits I already got. So let me show y'all what I got. Of course, I had to get the Kelly Green. Because Kelly Green on that black skin right there, baby. Kelly Green. And I'm also going to put some of this with the shorts. I'll show y'all the short pattern in a minute. And of course I had to get a pink because you know I'm in my Barbie lifestyle right now. So we got to do some Barbie pink. I also got some yellow. Because how can you go to the beach? How can you go to St. Lucia and you don't wear no yellow? Like, that don't make any sense. And then the last but not least, I got this cranberry burgundy color, because y'all know your girl is a Commanders fan, so we got to have a Commander color bathing suit as well. So these are all the things I got in my package. Let me show you the other thing I got too. And of course, when you're making swim trunks, you got to have that little lining on the inside. So this is also what I ordered. And this is, I forget what the name of this material is called. It's just netting, I guess. I don't know. I can't remember what it's called. But yeah, so this is the one that I have, and this is going to be on the inside of the trunks. So I'm going to show you the trunk pattern, and then I'll show you what colors I'm going to use. But y'all know what I'm most excited about, right? Because I'm going to get to use Jessie and make a bathing suit for the first time on her. And I think it's going to come out fabulous. Let me flip this back around.